you lose.
Still out. Hey, what's up? You already know who it is. It's that gentleman AP, baby. I'm not playing this. I'm not playing this shit.
Hey, he almost
2000. Look, man. Look. 2010 takeover season. GDC, TJ Bird, Chad. I see you.
LeBron is so weak right now.
Everybody, we out here. I'm not playing this. I'm not playing.
Hey, LeBron is so weak, Joe.
Brandon Roy is doing it, man. Look. You mad? Aldridge. We got 8 seconds. I don't know.
8 seconds. 7, 6, 5.
That's LJ, boy.
5 seconds left. 2, 1, 0.
I thought he had it.
Put it over.
Thought he had it.
You already know who it is, man.
Little freestyle, go ahead.
Yeah. I'm playing with the Portland Trailblazers. This lame is playing with LeBron, LBJ. He can't do it with B-Roy. He push me, he getting mad because he's a play toy to me. Niggas not playing with me. Do the stanky leg.
This ain't ridiculous, man. Come on, man. Let's go.
We'll be right back.
Yeah, true.